it is way too early o'clock in the AM. But that's okay, because we're having a family beach day, baby!
I've been trying to bend the rules since I barely was walking. I've been trying harder all my life, cause I need to be perfect. If I could just be a little better, maybe you could be my salvation out of here.
Oh, Wrightsville Beach!
I can get it off, we are never done. I'm Julian, baby, you are like the sun. Pour out your love, fill me to the top. Let me hear that champagne burst and pop. Cause as long as you are here with me, I'll be living, loving, wild and free. I can get it off, fill me to the top. Let me hear that champagne burst and pop. I just give 200% every day cause I own it. I'm fighting all of my life, I'm bad and I know it. If I could just be a little better, maybe you could be my salvation out of here.
Who's ready to go in the water?
Hey!
That wasn't, I mean, I was hoping for a bit more enthusiasm.
Oh, okay, then we can do it.
So you wanna know what I'm most looking forward to in this beach trip? Actually being able to go in the water! Because I can't do that on the West Coast! Where'd you go?
Oh,
You abandoned me.
I can get it off, we are never done. I'm Julian, baby, you are like the sun. Pour out your love, fill me to the top. Let me hear that champagne burst and pop.
How you feeling, Dad?
Awesome!
What'd you think, Clojo?
Awesome!
What do you think, Kate?
This is awesome!
Noah, what do you think?
Summer days, they will be over soon. Nothing else could get me and you. Let's just sleep beneath the big blue moon. Yeah, yeah. Summer days, they will be over soon. Nothing else could be like me and you. Let's just stay beneath the big blue moon. Yeah, yeah.
What do you guys think?
I'm a towel monster.
Did
And it was awesome!
you have fun?
Yeah, it was fun though.
Woo! Did you have fun?
Yes!
Same. But there's one slight caveat. When you're out there for hours and hours, you get burned, which I'm pretty sure is happening to me. Lovely. I love it though. The whole thing with the beach, right, is it's not as much about the actual beach itself, but just like the people that you're with when you're there. So, and it's great to be here with my family. Wow, we're getting sappy. Whoops. I may not be tomatoey yet, but rest assured, it is going to happen. I can feel it. It's gonna happen. Calling it now.
My short hair looks good while it's wet. Because when it was long, it looked so bad.
It's a good thing I brought the first aid kit.
Made it here to the hotel. They have free coffee. Thank goodness. I burned a lot of freaking calories there on the beach. Yes, we have made the great idea to not head home tonight and instead stay another day, which is, I am fully in support of. I love hotels. They're just so fun, you know? It's like a break from, I don't know, you know what I mean?
Your normal life.
Yeah, it's like for a little bit, you no longer are the same person even. You're just like a traveler. It's fantastic. I love hotels. Hey, Chloe, you want to see our beautiful view? Da 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 da.
Woods!
Just,
Just like home!
just frickin' trees. So, Dad, where are we headed?
Downtown.
Yeah, boy.
Cold hand froze 1,000 feet, raindrops falling on the street. I can't recall when I last saw the sun. Summer's just a memory, a faded piece of history. No one can remember all the fun.
It's kind of weird. I have like this vague, very vague recollection of visiting here when I was a kid. Like it must have been like 2008 or so, before I knew Andrew or anything. But
This feels familiar.
or maybe it's one of those things where it's like similar to a dream you once had. Maybe that. I don't know. This seems very familiar though, weirdly.
What have you got there?
He won't budge. Looks like we're stuck here.
Is that an anchor?
Yeah, it is.
Dude, that's freaking giant.
Yeah.
I thought it was some kind of weird cannon. Nope, the only weird cannon here.
Is this one? Ha!
Jokes. Jokes.
Okay, I have definitely been here before. This is very intensely familiar. Do you know when it would have been, Noah?
I have no clue.
No clue?
Many years ago.
Do you feel it too? Do you have any vague recollection of this place?
I do. Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
But no like concrete memories of it?
No, I do.
You do?
I have
Wait,
pictures.
when? Why? How?
A while ago.
Well,
Mom
that,
has them.
that doesn't tell me anything.
Mom has pictures. We came many times. You've been here like once. And we've been here once without you as well.
Holy crap, this freaking line.
This must be the world's best ice cream. What the heck?
It keeps going. It keeps going.
It keeps going. You guys want some ice cream?
I wish.
Not in this line.
Why would anyone do that?
Right? Like, there comes a point where it's more about the experience than the actual taste. You know,
And
you can
that's
say
just-
you've waited in line for that long.
That's just a tad over the top.
Made it back home success. Oh, that was a mistake. Made it back to the hotel. Totally fine. Well, okay, not totally fine. My back is absolutely killing me. I am very sunburnt indeed. Hey Noah! My bro, my buddy, my pal, my bestie. Chloe! We have some aloe vera, and I would just apply it myself, but it's in the one spot of my body I cannot reach.
You were cooked alive.
Holy
like a
crap!
lobster.
Look at that! Look at
You
that!
were cooked alive like a lobster.
Okay. Be very careful. I'm sensitive.
What the heck?
Oh, that's so cold.
Yeah. You're
Oh.
so warm. You're so warm.
Yeah, it's because I've been cooked. Oh my gosh. This is not a fun experience. In any stretch of the word. I think
That you
that's-
can't get.
Yeah, that's pretty much all.
Okay.
I mean, I want to put some on the back of my legs, but that would require going pantsless. So. I am in agony. I literally borrowed Noah's shorts because my pants, my long sleeve pants, I couldn't wear them tonight. My legs are on fire. My back is on fire. I sure called this one, huh? But yeah, it's 11 o'clock at night, so we're gonna try and get some sleep. No guarantees. This is gonna be a long, painful night because I'm one of those people that cannot sleep without covers covering me. And you see the problem with that, don't you? So tonight should be interesting. I mean, I guess all I can really do is stay positive. Ay! I love when that works out.
This is me, I'm still on